Look at this. It says, if 1 over 2, 1 over s, and 1 over 3 are successive terms of an arithmetic progression, AP, show that this is equals to this. Don't waste your time looking at this. Concentrate your effort here. What we can derive from here is the common difference. The common difference between these two should be equal to the common difference between these two. Therefore, we can say this equals to this minus this. That is 1 over s minus 1 over 2. Also, this also equals to 1 over 3 minus 1 over x. So, therefore, we can say this equals to this d. That is, this is equals to this. That is to say, 1 over s minus 1 over 2 is equal to this. That is 1 over 3 minus 1 over x. Okay? So with this now, we are good to go. Let's calculate this. This is 2x. This divided by this is 2. Multiplied by this 2. This is s, x. This is 3x, s minus 3. Okay? I want to move this here. That is 3x, 2 minus x over 2x equals to s minus 3. Why am I doing this? Because I have the knowledge of the question. So you can see here, I have here 2 minus s. I want to retain this here. Okay? What I want to bring at this denominator now is this. Okay? So, I want to also bring this here. You agree with me? This over 1. If I want to bring this here, what I need to do is to divide both sides by s minus 3. S minus 3. That is, divide this by s minus 3. I also divide this side by s minus 3. Or, you can say, this is over 1. You can just cross multiply, move this here and move this here. Or, just because of some people that might be confused, I can do like this. 2 minus x, then I say equals to this multiplied by 2x. Then I divide both sides by this now. Just to remove this now, okay? That is 3x, 2 minus x over s minus 3 equals to 2x. You agree with me? You can also go ahead now. Let's look at what we have. And move this to this side. That is to say, divide both sides by 3x. This 3x will come down. That is, divide here now by 3x. Divide here by 3x. This and this will cancel. This will be here, okay? I don't need to write it out like this. I just say 2 minus x all over this is equals to 2x over 3x. This and this will cancel. You agree with me? Is 2 minus x over s minus 3 equals to 2 over 3. If you go back now, you agree with me? 2 minus x, 2 minus s, s minus 3, s minus 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 3. So this has been what? Proved. Okay? We have shown that what? This is equals to this. Following this. Just calculating the common difference. Okay?